Afternoon, Good afternoon, and all. This is Prakash studying second class in Sri Shanti Niketan Medium School. I will do experiment game showing surface tension of water. Things made Sevi water. A glass. Take a glass. Fill it with water. Take a Sevi. Take a Sevi and take a Sevi and put it top. Take a Sevi and put it over top of it. Now turn it upside down. The water cannot pass through holes. Conduction. This happens due to surface tension of water. Thank you everyone.